Welcome to Anything to Database. We turn messy price lists and catalogs into structured data, ready to import into Excel or a database. Supplier data never matches your schema. Our data mapping tools map your supplier's fields to Shopify and WooCommerce fields. Load a supplier file into the studio. After it finishes processing, you have the option to save a recurring vendor. The system will learn the price list or catalog format. Next time it is one click. Images can be pushed to Shopify, WooCommerce, and custom-built websites automatically. Click the Send to button, and a field mapper form will open, letting you map your catalog or price list headers to Shopify, WooCommerce, or your database. Multiple fields from the supplier price list can be mapped, joined by commas, into one field. For example, the contents of many columns can go into the description in WooCommerce. The system handles irregular fields and records. In this example, merged cells that span more than one record are repeated for every record, and titles are added to every record within a section. Thank you for watching.